Today we are introducing Yokogawa pressure transmitter calibration and configuration and testing. Transmitter model number EJX530. Style is S2. Transmitter calibration range is 0 to 200 bar. The pressure transmitter calibration minimum required equipments: one field communicator, one digital multimeter, DC power supply, 250 ohms resistance, dead weight tester, pressure source, dead weight tester, weight set, transmitter manifold. This is a process line. One is bend, and this is transmitter connection point. Okay, next we are connecting for the transmitter process line into dead weight tester output line. Transmitter connected to dead weight tester output line. Transmitter back cover. Positive terminal block and negative terminal and test terminal. This is a supply line. Positive, negative is a test line. Positive test lead connected to transmitter positive test line. Negative test lead connected to transmitter negative test. Field communicator. Red and black terminal. Red terminal connected to red. Black connected to black terminal. 24 volt DC power supply. Positive line connect red terminal, connect to the transmitter positive terminal. Next negative terminal connect multimeter common terminal. Milliamps terminal connect milliamps terminal block. Negative line connected to negative terminal. Next power on the 24 volt. Display is power on now. Transmitter is power on. Display showing the all parameters. Next power on the RMS multimeter. Power on. Select the knob DC milliamps and select the menu DC. Now milliamps showing 3.996 milliamps DC. Next power on the field communicator. Power on. Now power on. HART, foundation builders, wall link, setting, PC setting and pad, writing pad. First we are selecting for the HART communicator. Select. Yes. Online menu, process variable, diagnosis service and device setup. First we are checking the process variable. Select one. Now process variable showing pressure value 0.07 bar, percentage showing minus 0.4 percentage, output is showing 3.994 milliamps, LRV is 0, URI is 200 bar. Next we are doing for transmitter display configuration. Transmitter display decimal point is showing 0.1. Select the device setup and the detail setup, display condition, display select, DP display conditions, SP display conditions, engineering display range, bar indication already enabled. Okay, we are selecting for number 4, engineering display ranges. Select engineering LRV and URV already mentioned 200, engineering expert already into 1%. Next, engineering unit barg, engineering point showing 1. Next, we are changing the engineering point, that is a decimal point, select it to 2, and next send. Yes. Now transmitter display showing 2 decimal point. Decimal point setting is completed. Going to the online menu. Next we are doing for DA trim calibration. Select the second point, diagnostic service. Select the calibration, and the second one is analog trim. Select DA trim, digital and analog trim. Select it one, then OK. Connect the reference meter. Reference multimeter already connected. Then OK. Next, setting field device output 4 milliamps. Then OK. The reference multimeter showing 4.004 milliamps. We can enter the same value, 4.004 milliamps. Enter. Okay, field device output 4 equal in the reference meter. Both are same. Then OK. Next is setting the field device value 20 milliamps. Then OK. Now reference meter is showing 20.005 milliamps. We are applied for the same value, 20.005 milliamps. Enter. Reference value equal into field value. Both are same. Then OK. Return to original output value. Now is automatic control mode. Then OK. Now DA trim is completed. Next we are doing for pressure trim calibration. Select the second one, diagnostic service, and select the third one, calibration, and pressure sensor trim calibration. Third one, and there is a 2-3 point is there. Pressure 0 trim is there. Pressure trim is there. Manufacturer trim point also there. Manufacturer already trim for 0, and upper trim also they will trim 0.05%. Now we are selecting for second one, pressure sensor trim, and 2-3 point is there. Auto lower pressure trim, auto upper pressure trim, manual lower pressure trim, manual upper pressure trim. We are selecting the auto lower pressure trim. Okay, select it to pressure trim. Now is showing 0.07 bar. This is a manifold. This is a processor line isolation valve. This is a vent line valve. Once calibrated, we will remove the vent port. First, open the vent line. Enter the value 0. Enter the value 0, 0.00 value. Enter. Now output showing 4 milliamps. Transmitter display also showing 0 bar. Next we are doing for upper sensor trim. Next close the vent line. Close the vent line. Open the process line. Already open. First we are removing the air bubble in the dead weight. Air bubble removed is completed. Next we are applying the span. First we are closing the B valve. We are close the system weight is low pressure 1 bar, high pressure 10 bar. Next we are insert for the weight set. Low pressure is 9 bar, high pressure is 19 bar. Insert the inside the piston. Okay. Next weight, low pressure is 10 bar, high pressure is 100 bar. Next we are insert the weight. Rotate the screw pump. Now piston is little bit up, green area, that is a low range area. Display is increasing pressure. Next we are closing the A port valve. A port is closed. B port open. We are rotating the screw pump and rotating the weight also. Pressure is a little bit up. Now 130 bar something. Now is the red mark area weight set 199.53 bar. Next we are selecting the 3 upper range trim. Enter the value 200. Enter. Output is showing 20 bar. Transmitter display showing 200 bar. Screw pump is rotated to counterclockwise. Remove the pressure. Open the valve. Both valves is open condition now. Screw pump also open now. Now process variable showing, pressure is showing 0, percentage also showing 0, output also showing 4 milliamps. Transmitter calibration is completed. Calibration troubleshooting also completed.